அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். குட் மார்னிங் எவரிபடி. ஹைபிரிட் லோ காஸ்ட் சூப்பர் கண்டக்டர் வாட்டர் ஸ்பிளிட்டர். ஹைபிரிட் 80,000 milliamp per centimeter squared at 0 volt resistance. Again I am telling, low cost superconductor water splitter to generate clean hydrogen with AAA 1.5 volt battery. This is new technology. Hybrid 80,000 milliampere per centimeter squared at 0 volt resistant. This is different all kind of electrolysis method because input is less than 100 millivolt and external heat is 120 degree Celsius only. Using 600 degree heat resistant and dielectric borosil ceramic container and aluminium porous strip electrode and electrolysing and boiling works at a time in one container, and DC back EMF problem redirect to split water continuously by silicon semiconductor diode. Needs of material: multimeter, needs of material, multimeter, AAA 1.5 volt battery, 100k potential meter, 1 ampere silicon semiconductor diode, anode, cathode, alumina borostrip electrode, 100 ml borosilicate glass with 1:6 h2o 60 ml diluted water. Problem and solution. Number 1, when water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, it loses its density and goes to zero electric resistance. It means 0 ohms. So it is possible to reduce input voltage as much as possible. Number 2, major problem of DC back EMF, very important. Why can't make hydrogen cheaper rate? Again, why can't make hydrogen cheap rate? Because the DC back EMF is reason. When reducing input voltage, the hydrogen and oxygen fuel cells gave an EMF of 0.73 volt and electric current chased. Very important news. Major problem of the DC back EMF, because the DC back EMF is reason when reducing input voltage, the hydrogen and oxygen fuel cell gave an EMF of 0.730 volt and electric current chased. This problem can solved by semiconductor diode. This technique is invented in 1976 by space scientist S. Venkatesan, patent holder of CCW hydrogen engine, NRDC reported Government of India. Expecting result. Total input is approximately 80 watts for 60 ml H2O 1:6 diluted water. Number 2, when splitting 60 ml water gives 7 gram of hydrogen. 1 gram hydrogen equal to 40 watts. 7 gram hydrogen equal to 280 watts. So output is more than input by quantum technology. Again, expecting result. Total input is approximately 80 watts or 8,000 milliampere. 80 watts or 80,000 milliampere. 1 watts equal to 1 ampere equal to 1000 milliampere. 80 ampere equal to 80,000 milliampere. Thank you. Next, expecting result when splitting 60 ml water gives 7 gram of hydrogen. 1 gram hydrogen equal to 40 watts. 7 gram hydrogen equal to 280 watts. So output is more than input by quantum physics. Reference from water splitting R&D. Reference from water splitting R&D. Number 1 from America. Ludwig Mond Coral Long in 1889. Gas battery hydrogen project scientist invented DC back EMF problem in electrolysis. This is very important. DC back EMF problem in electrolysis. They invented in 1889. Number 2 from Tamil Nadu, India in 1976 S. Venkateshan. 1976 S. Venkateshan. Super scientist. His book is Art of Living Without Food by Yogic Method for Space Development. உணவில்லாமல் வாழும் கலை யோகமுறை. இந்த நூலைத்தான் வெங்கடேஸ்வரங்கிற விண்வெளி விஞ்ஞானி செய்திருக்கிறார். இவர் கண்டுபிடித்தது தான் இதுக்கு ஆரம்பம் இதுதான். திஸ் இஸ் பேசிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் த CCW ஹைட்ரஜன் என்ஜின். Number two, a reference from participating R&D. Scientist also are telling. Number 3 from America in number 3 in 2014 Stanford University scientist h2o and Mekong invented splitting water using AAA 1.5 battery with a nickel porous strip and nickel oxide at room temperature. Very, very important invented. The world first room temperature electrolysis with a 1.5 volt battery, the world record. Number 4 from America. In 2019, Brown University scientist invented Goldilocks problem on platinum. Goldilocks problem in electrolysis on platinum electrode. Very, very important. In 2019, Brown University scientist invented Goldilocks problem in electrolysis on platinum electrode. Now I go to starting the process. You can see. Now I am measuring the temperature. Inside of the container 1:6 60 ml diluted water. Temperature is 104. In this time, this take only 0 volt. Sometimes it go to microvolt. Automatically I artificially reduced. I go to artificially increase the voltage. You can see it takes 95 millivolt. I reduce artificially. 47 millivolt, 21 millivolt, 0 millivolt. Sometimes it goes to micro millivolt. Automatically at 120 degrees Celsius, water goes to it loses its density. This is superconductor method. Very important method. Thank you for everybody.